Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create content? Imagine having the power to turn any URL, YouTube video, or even simple keywords into high-quality, engaging user-generated content with just a click. Welcome to Inkflow, where creativity meets cutting-edge AI technology. Inkflow is your comprehensive AI-powered tool that seamlessly transforms your ideas into captivating content that's designed for blogs, social media, emails, and so much more. Say goodbye to writer's block and countless hours spent perfecting your posts. With Inkflow, you can instantly generate authentic, human-like UGC content that captivates your audience and drives engagement. One of the standout features of Inkflow is its incredible AI content generation capability. This isn't just any content, it's tailored to sound real, engaging, and relatable, making it perfect for your audience. Whether you're crafting a heartfelt blog post or a catchy social media update, Inkflow delivers every time. And with our one-click automation, you can manage your emails, social media posts, and blog publishing effortlessly. Just think about how much time you could save. But that's not all. Inkflow is designed with SEO optimization in mind, ensuring that your content not only resonates with readers, but also ranks high on search engines. Plus, with multilingual support, you can create and translate content in over 100 languages, opening the door to a global audience. Looking to build your brand? With our white label license, you can create and sell content under your own brand name, giving you complete control over your creative ventures. And the best part, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment, no recurring fees ever. Imagine generating additional income by offering AI-generated content services to businesses. Yes, Inkflow provides a commercial license so you can turn your passion into profit. And don't worry about technical skills. Inkflow is user-friendly and designed for effortless use. Tailor the tone, style, and persona of your content to align perfectly with your brand identity. Finally, our comprehensive support and training resources ensure you have everything you need to thrive. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity in content creation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and insights. Dive into the future of content with Inkflow today and let your creativity shine like never before.